Hey caterpillars, how are you today? All right, so our month is February. Let's count to see what this magical number down here is. It will give us the date today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Nice counting all the way to 17. Today is Wednesday. Wednesday begins with the letter W. Yesterday was Tuesday, and tomorrow will be Thursday. I've already put in our heart. We have pink, blue, blue, pink, blue, and then tomorrow will also be a blue, ABB. That is our pattern this month. I'm going to put up a letter. You guys tell me what letter you see. J, Z, F, D, T, R, N, S, I, Q, L, O, E, K, G, A, H, M, C, U, V, P, B. Good work. Now tell me the numbers. 2, 4, 3, 5, 7, 6, 8, 10. Today I'm trying to collect all the things that begin with the letter H. H is for that is the sound H makes. Can you say that with me? Do you feel your breath when you say it? All right, I'm looking for all the things that are H. Can you help me? All right, thumbs up if I should take it, thumbs down if it does not begin with the letter H, and I will move it off to the side. Helicopter, helicopter, helicopter. Did you feel your breath? I'm taking it. Good job. Hawk, hawk, hawk. Helicopter have the same beginning sound. How about this? Car, car. Nope, we do not want the car. Car begins with the K sound. Do I want this? Hand, hand. Good job. There's my missing hand. How about feet? Feet. Nope. Hippo? Hippo. Good. Yes, hippo. Helicopter have the same beginning sound. And what sound does H make? Hammer. Hammer. Good. I'm going to keep that hammer also. I'm going to need it. Do I want this? Truck. Truck. You're right. I do not want that truck. It does not begin with the H sound. Put that off to the side. Hat. Hat. Good work. All right, on your piece of paper, draw the letter H. I'll draw it with you. I can't draw it. Start at the top, straight line down. Oops. Straight line down. Another straight line down. And a little line across. That is the letter H. Draw me one of these things that began with the letter H. Helicopter, hawk, hand, hammer, hippo, and hat. Can you draw one of those objects that begins with the letter H? And I'm going to put it right here in my file folder for the letter H. And I'm going to remember that H makes the sound. All right, guys, on to the next. So you have your letter H and you have an object that begins with H. Now we're going to make we're going to find a number, and I need you to help me write that number down. Are you ready? Let's go. All right, guys, let's read and see what I have to do. Looks like I'm trying to run away. Help me find all the 9s. So we're going to have to find all the 9s in the bunch, and then afterwards you guys will draw a 9 and then draw a way we can make a 9, okay? So we're going to help find all the 9s. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do I want that one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do I want that? Good. I'm going to clean it up. How about this? Is this the number 9? Good work. That is our number 9. Is this the number 9? Nope, that's the number 10. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh, a 3, 3, and a 3. Yay! I want it. All right, is this a 9? 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope. Keep that one down here. Do not want it, right? I do not want to collect it. Only collect the 9s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do I want it? Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do I want it? Nope, I do not. Okay, now it's your turn. I need you to draw the number 9. And then I want you to draw the number 9. And then I need you to draw 9 objects for me. So remember, when we draw the number 9, we draw a circle and then a straight line down. A circle and a straight line down. All right, so here's my number 9. I start at the top. I make a big curve all the way around, a big circle, and then a straight line down. All right, remember the curve comes first, then the line. Big curve all the way around, straight line down. All right, 9, and then draw 9 objects. And then I want you to upload your 9 and upload your H for me. All right, I cannot wait to see your projects. Have a wonderful Wednesday. Bye.